Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our next problem. We have 3 over x squared minus 16 plus x over x minus 4. We want to add these two expressions together. Now, here's the deal. I cannot do this problem the way it is. And the reason I can't is because these denominators do not match. I need the same denominator before I can add two fractions together. So this is an opportunity to take advantage of some of the factoring that you've learned. X squared minus 16 is really x plus 4 times x minus 4. Okay? I just rewrote it factored. And of course this is just x minus 4. Now watch what's going to happen here. If I want these two denominators to be the same, you'll notice this denominator has more in it than this, right? What's this one missing? That's the question you ask yourself. What's this denominator missing that this one has? And the answer, hopefully, you would see is it's missing an x plus 4. So what we do is we come over here and we multiply both the bottom, of course, what I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. We multiply the denominator and the numerator by the same thing, by x plus 4. Now what that does is it now makes the denominators match. So what I can do now is I can put the denominator one time. An x plus 4 and an x minus 4. Okay? Since we now made them match. Now we work with the numerators. This numerator is 3x. This numerator I get by taking a positive x and distributing it. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. So again, the way I got this part was by taking this x and distributing it. If this sign had been a minus, I would have distributed a minus x, but it was a plus, so we just did it directly with a positive. Now, the next thing I want to do in that numerator is to put it in correct order and combine like terms. So the x squared should be in the front, and 3x plus 4x is 7x. And in the denominator, of course, we still have our x plus 4 and our x minus 4. Okay? These are all equal. Now, I need to make sure that my answer is in lowest terms. And the way you determine if something is in lowest terms is you factor and see if you can cancel. Well, when I look at this numerator, the only thing I could factor out would be an x. In parens, I would have x plus 7. And the denominator is already factored. And there's nothing that cancels. Good morning, Molly. Good morning, Molly. I love you, Molly. Isn't Molly a pretty doggy? Okay, I'm going to close that. All right, so here we have x times x plus 7 over x plus 4, x minus 4. That is our perfectly correct answer. And we are ready to move on. Okay? So basically, let me recap. What we did here is the x squared minus 16 was not factored. We factored it. We filled in over here what was missing. What we did to the bottom, we do to the top. We worked with the numerators. We combined like terms, and we factored, and we would have canceled if we were able to. All right.